Today, we're going to unbox the off-road vehicle light combination brackets. Let's see what's inside the box. It includes mounted screws, rubber cushioning pads, short combination bracket, long combination bracket, small flat washers, small spring washers, small nuts, small screws, medium washers, medium screws, rubber cushioning pads, combination brackets, and a small wrench included with the mounting hardware. Light pods. These lights need to be purchased separately.
Next, we begin assembling the lights. First, flip the light upside down. There are two small holes here. Insert the small nuts into these two holes. After inserting the nuts, take the rubber cushioning pad and install it on the outside of the light. Then, take the long combination bracket and press it onto the cushioning pad. Next, take the small screw, install the spring washer and flat washer onto the screw in that order. Insert it into the hole of the combination bracket. Rotate the screw to secure it. Install the other screw in the same way. Insert it into the hole and secure it. Use the small wrench to tighten the screws. Once tightened, the installation is complete. Next, begin installing the short bracket. Flip the light over again. Locate the two holes, insert the nuts. After inserting the nuts into the hole, install the cushioning pad on the outside. Take the short combination bracket and press it onto the pad. Take the small screw and install it with the spring washer and flat washer in that order. After installing it, you will notice that it cannot be tightened by hand. Use the included small wrench tool to tighten the screw. Install the other screw in the same way and tighten it. Once tightened, the installation is complete. After securing one long bracket and one short bracket, align the mounting holes and connect them together. Take the medium screw and insert it. Add the medium washer. Insert it into the aligned holes and tighten it. After flipping it over, there's another screw underneath that also needs to be installed in the same way. Use the included larger wrench to tighten the screw. While tightening, you can adjust the position of the light. After adjusting it to the desired position, fully tighten it. Once tightened, the installation is complete. If you need to install more lights, you must use a combination of one long bracket and one short bracket. If one side uses a longer bracket, the other side must use a short bracket. If one side uses a short bracket, the other side must use a long bracket. Below is the completed light assembly result. The vehicle used for this installation is a Ford Bronco. The assembled setup uses 8 lights. The light mounting bracket shown above needs to be purchased separately. It is not included with the product. When installing the lights and brackets, you also need to install fixing nuts into the mounting holes of the lights. The nuts must be inserted into these two holes. After installing the fixing nuts, proceed with mounting the lights onto the bracket. Because this installation involves a large number of lights, assistance from another person is required. Final installation result after the light combination bracket is mounted on the vehicle.